Good morning, class. Today we are doing a revision for board exams of section A and section B. How many sections are there in your exam? Very good. There are 5 sections, okay? Today we are doing section A and section B. Most of the questions. Okay, I am not saying all the questions, but most of the questions. That will be helpful for your exam tomorrow also. Divyansh, so shall we start? What is the first section? It is understanding of shape and spaces. So which chapter covers in it? First, that is about angles. Second, which chapter comes in section A? For shapes. Which chapter has shapes? You have no 3D shapes. Then okay. And fine, don't speak. Okay, in your section A, you have most of the 1 mark questions or 2 mark questions that are easy to attempt, and you can easily gain 1 mark or 2 marks depending on the question if you do it correctly. First question, when the ladder, what is the meaning of ladder? CD is placed along the wall, then the angle formed between the wall and the ladder is, first, this is a wall, okay, this is a wall, we put a ladder against it. Now you have to read the question very carefully. If it is asking that we have to find the angle formed between the wall, only between the wall, if the question ends here, then the answer will be right angle. Okay, and when the question is wall and ladder, means दीवार और ladder के बीच में, then we are talking about this angle. So which angle is this? Acute angle. What is the measurement of acute angle? 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Okay. And what is the measurement of right angle? Wait a minute, waiter. Okay. So types of angles. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. 90 degree is right angle. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is obtuse angle. And 180 degree is straight angle. Okay. Next question. What is the measure of the angle formed at the rectangular wall? If you have a rectangular wall, what is the measurement of angles in it? How many angles are there? 4 angles. What is the measurement? 90 degree. What? This is 90 degree, right? So which angle is this? Right angle. Very nice. How many angles are there? 4. Acute angle less than 90 degree. The 90 degree, right angle, obtuse angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. 180 degree is straight angle and 360 degree is complete angle. Okay. Next, what is the measuring unit of angle? What is the measuring unit of angle? Speak louder. Degrees. Okay. The measuring unit of angle is degrees. And the tool used to measure angle is protractor. What is the spelling of protractor? Okay, Protractor. The angle of 180 degree is called straight angle. What is the spelling of straight? Very good. You can get these questions as it is, or in fill in the blanks, or in multiple choice questions, whatever it is. Next, an angle of 40 degree is called acute angle. And if I say an angle of 120 degrees is obtuse angle. Okay. Next, draw a rectangle of length 5 centimeter and width. What is the meaning of width? Breadth. and 4 centimeter, find perimeter and area. There are two options. One, you can get a grid, right? You got the grid in Freeboard first, right? A grid that looks like this, right? आप लोगों को मिला था grid? In this, one square is 1 centimeter. So when the length is 5 centimeter, then how will you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the width is 4 centimeter. So you have to take 4 squares here and draw the rectangle. And if you don't get the grid, अगर आपको grid नहीं मिलता है, then what are you going to do? What are you going to do if you don't get the grid? You have to use the scale. So it is very obvious that you have to bring your own scale and your own pencil for the exam. Don't ask each other. Okay? You will draw a rectangle. If I draw a rectangle like this, is it correct? If I draw it with scale, is it correct? Second thing is you have to name the rectangle. It can be any 4 consecutive alphabet letters like P, Q, R, S, A, B, C, D, whatever you like. Clear? Then you have to mark the length. That it is 5 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter. Am I clear till here? Is my question done? Is my question done? No. What do I have to do? Perimeter. First, what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. What is length? 5 plus 4. 2 multiplied by 9. That will be 18. Is my perimeter complete? No. Why? I have to put centimeter here. Next is area. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. Can I say length multiplied by width? Is it also correct? Okay. So 5 multiplied by 4. That will be 20. 20 what? Centimeter square. Clear? Next, Vedant, are you listening? Find the area and perimeter of a square whose each side is 5 centimeter. Vedant, stand up. Tell me the perimeter of square. Speak louder. Speak louder. Are you speaking or just lip sync? Beta, for your kind information, I am not able to understand lip sync. Yes, Divika? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Ritika? 4 multiplied by side. Very good, Ritika. Sit down. So, do I have to make a square here in this question? Should I draw a square? Is it necessary? No. Because the question is only find the area and perimeter. The question doesn't mention that you have to draw a square. So, perimeter of square. It is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. What is the measurement of side? 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 centimeter. Okay, not centimeter square. Siddharth, what is the area of square? Side multiplied by side. Very nice. Sit down. Okay, area of square. It is equal to side multiplied by side. That is 5 multiplied by 5. That will be 25 what? 25 centimeters square. When you are doing such questions, if you don't write the formulas, if you don't write the unit, I am not going to give you full marks. Yeah? यस, साइड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय साइड, साइड की मेजरमेंट किस में होगी बेटा? सेंटीमीटर में होगी, तो यानी सेंटीमीटर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सेंटीमीटर फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से, तो 2 times centimeter, then it is known as centimeter square. You can also write as q dot centimeter. Clear? Fine. Next question. From the square shown in figure 1, 8 squares of 1 into 1 centimeter are cut as shown in figure 2. Find the perimeter of the new shape. Clear? This is a shape. What is the measurement of each side? 5 centimeter. We have to find the measurement or perimeter of the new shape. How was the new shape formed? After removing how many squares? 8 squares. And what is the side of each square? 1 centimeter. Till now, question is clear? Ritima? हाँ या ना? हाँ? Okay. 5 centimeter. And how do we find the perimeter of this shape? First, we have to find the perimeter of the square. Okay. What is the formula for perimeter of square? I am only writing perimeter. You have to write perimeter of square. That is 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by 5. Answer will be 20 centimeter. Till now, any problem? Yes. Beta, here it is given in the question. Okay, we have to find the perimeter of the new shape, right? We have not seen these, right? These are removed. That means 20 minus how many of 1 centimeter are removed from here? ये सारे perimeter से हटे हैं. If you can see, right? So what will we do? What we will do? Minus 1 multiplied by 8. यहाँ तक कोई problem है? Then we 1 multiply 8 क्यों किया? कितने हैं यहाँ पर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. और ये हट गए हैं पेरीमीटर में से, और ये 1 सेंटीमीटर के थे, तो 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8. अब यहाँ पर ऐड कितने सेंटीमीटर हुए? 1, 2, 3. पेरीमीटर के लिए इनको ऐड ही करना पड़ेगा. कितने साइड्स हैं यहाँ पर ऐड होने वाले? 3. और कितने सेंटीमीटर के हैं? 1 सेंटीमीटर के. और कितने हैं? 8. तो प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8. एनी प्रॉब्लम? तन्वी नहीं आया? इसका पेरीमीटर आ गया, यहाँ तक आ गया आपको. इसमें से ये वाला जो सेंटीमीटर है, ये पोर्शन ये चला गया, राइट? तो यानी 1 सेंटीमीटर कितनी बार गया? 8 टाइम्स. तो माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8. अब यहाँ पर ऐड कितना हुआ पेरीमीटर के लिए? ये 1 साइड, 2 साइड, 3 साइड. 3 साइड हमें ऐड करनी पड़ेंगी. कितनी टाइम्स ऐड करनी पड़ेंगी? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 टाइम्स हमें ऐड करनी पड़ेगी. तो प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8. क्लियर? तो 20 minus 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. Plus 3 multiplied by 8 is 20 minus 8 is 12. Okay. And 12 plus 24? 36 centimeters. This is the perimeter of your new shape. Yes or no? See, this is a square. Each side is 5 centimeter. Vedant, you are standing. ठीक है, ये एक स्क्वायर है. इसकी एक साइड कितने सेंटीमीटर की है? 5 सेंटीमीटर. इसमें से कितने स्क्वायर्स रिमूव करे गए? 8 स्क्वायर. कितने सेंटीमीटर के? 1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो इसका पेरीमीटर क्या है? 20 सेंटीमीटर. इसमें से हम क्या माइनस करेंगे? दिस साइड. कितनी टाइम्स? 8 टाइम्स. तो माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर कितने साइड्स ऐड हो गए? 1, 2 and 3. 3 साइड्स ऐड हो गए. कितनी टाइम्स ऐड हुए? 8 टाइम्स. तो प्लस 3 multiplied by 8, that is 24. So 12 plus 24 is 36 centimeter. Still not understood? Wait, I will explain. Now listen carefully. इस स्क्वायर में से 8 स्क्वायर हटाए हैं जो कि 1 सेंटीमीटर के थे, ठीक है। हमें इसका पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है, इतना समझ आया। तो पहले हमें इसका पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर। पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय साइड, 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5, दैट इज 20 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है। 20 सेंटीमीटर इसका पेरीमीटर आ गया। अब जो ये नई शेप बनी है, इसमें से 1 सेंटीमीटर की कितने लाइंस हटे हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ये तो हटे हैं, राइट। तो हटे हैं तो हम क्या करेंगे? 20 में से माइनस, कितने सेंटीमीटर के कट हुए? 1, और कितने कट हुए? 8, तो 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8, ठीक है। इतना समझ आया। और यहाँ पर कितने बचे हैं? 1 2 3, ये ऐड हुआ है पेरीमीटर के लिए, तो 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 and 3, that is plus 8 multiplied by 3, क्योंकि ये शेप्स क्या हुए हैं? इसमें ऐड हुए हैं। 20 minus 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, plus 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. 20 minus 8 is 12. 12 plus 24 is 36 centimeter. समझ आया? दीपिका सर, let's draw the plane surface net of the given 3D shape. This question is very easy. If you do this, you will easily get 6 marks. Okay, so it is not hard at all. First is cylinder. How do you draw the net of a cylinder? A rectangle and 2 circles. Clear? Next, cuboid. For cuboid, you have to draw okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 rectangles. Why? Because the cuboid has 6 faces. And if it is cube, क्यूबॉइड के बजाय अगर यहाँ पर क्यूब होता तो भी ऐसा ही नेट बनता। डिफरेंस क्या होता है? यहाँ जो रेक्टेंगल्स बनाए इसके बजाय क्या बनते हैं? स्क्वायर। समझ आ गया? कितने स्क्वायर्स होने चाहिए नेट में? 6। क्यों? बिकॉज the 3D shapes have 6 faces. Clear? And cone, what is the net of a cone? Clear? Easy. Next, identify the given objects and write the name of their 3-dimensional shapes. This is also very easy but important for your exam. Matchbox, what is the shape of the matchbox? Cuboid, not rectangle. Bottle, cylinder. What is the spelling of cylinder? CYLINDER. आप लोग ये फर्स्ट से पढ़ रहे हैं 3D शेप्स, फिर भी आपको अब तक स्पेलिंग लर्न नहीं है, तो इट इज अ थिंग ऑफ सो मच शेम। नेहान, नेहान ये आपने सही किया था प्री बोर्ड फर्स्ट में। फुटबॉल, व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ अ फुटबॉल? स्क्वायर। स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्क्वायर? SPHERE. बर्थडे कैप इज CONE, कोन। बेटा कोन की स्पेलिंग तो बहुत इजी है ना, CONE, कोन। फिर भी क्यों गलत आती है मेरे पास? किसने की? उन्हें पता है किसने की? Okay. Here is a square room. Okay, आपको ऑलरेडी गिवन है कैसा रूम है? स्क्वायर। तो स्क्वायर रूम के लिए हमें क्या क्या पता होना चाहिए? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज side multiplied by side. Perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. In Ramesh house, whose side is 5 meters long. So what will be the perimeter and area of the room? Easy. When perimeter of square, that is 4 multiplied by side. Side is 5 meters. 4 multiplied by 5. 20 meters long. And area, it is side multiplied by 5. That is 5 multiplied by, and answer will be 25 centimeter square. Okay, and if you only write 25 centimeter, then also you will not get full marks. Vedant, you are standing and still you are talking. कोई भी बोल रहा है, आप यहाँ देखिए ना. A person cycles 8 kilometer every day to go to work. अपने काम पर जाने के लिए वो 8 किलोमीटर साइकिलिंग करता है हर दिन, ठीक है. एंड कम्स बैक, और वापस भी आता है, ठीक है. तो 8 जाने का और 8 आने का, 16 kilometers in 1 day. And how many kilometers does he cover in 5 days? That will be, first you will write he cycles every day 8 plus 8, or we can say 8 multiplied by 2. That will be 16 kilometer. He cycles in 5 days. Sixteen multiplied by 5. What will be the answer? 16 is 80. Yashwin? Okay, answer is 80 kilometer. यहाँ multiply by 2 क्यों किया है? क्योंकि वो जाता है और आता है. 8 kilometer while going and 8 kilometer while coming. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. He cycled 16 kilometer in 1 day, and in 5 days 16 multiplied by 5. 80 kilometers. Next, section B. Understanding of number system. What comes in this? Place value, face value, number names, Indian number system, international number system, putting commas, forming the greatest number system. Greatest number and smallest number. Clear? Ria, what happened? Okay, 20 notes of 10 rupees. 20 notes of 10 rupees. 20 multiplied by 10. What will be the answer? 200. Clear? कितने नोट्स हैं टोटल? 20. एक नोट कितने रुपीस का है? 10 rupees. 20 multiplied by 10. Answer will be 200. Any problem? Write 2.052 in words. No one is going to write 2.50. No. How will you write? No. And no one is going to write like this also. Okay, you have to write ZERO0. Clear? Should I move ahead? International. Okay, if a square is divided into 7 parts, it is necessary that you will get one question of making the fraction. Okay, and this is very easy. You can gain 1 mark easily. If a square is divided into 7 parts, square को कितने parts में divide किया? 7 parts, and 3 of them are shaded. Total parts are numerator or denominator? Denominator. So it will be 3 upon. Correct? Any issue? I hope tomorrow is your pre-board second. ये फ्रैक्शन वाला क्वेश्चन किसी का गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. जरूरी नहीं है ये आएगा. Write given numbers in international and Indian number system. सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? Comma. So first we have to write Indian 7889200. In Indian number system, how do you put comma? 1, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. What will be the number name? 78. Clear? And in international, how do we put commas? 1, 10, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million. 7,889,200. Clear? क्यों नहीं लिखना? हाँ लिखना है, मैं नहीं लिख रही. Indian 233,881. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Yeah. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. Okay, what will be the number name? 2,33,881. And for international, it will be ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. The number name will be 233,881. From the greatest and smallest number from the given 8, 9, 2, 0 and 1. बेटा आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, इतने इजी क्वेश्चन में 2 मार्क्स अगर आपको मिल रहे हैं तो आप ये कैसे गलत हो सकता है? Smallest will be 10289. Greatest one will be 98210. कई बार आपके क्वेश्चंस में क्या आता है, यहाँ तक 0 है, इसके बाद एंड 1, तो बच्चे यहाँ एंड 1 देखते ही नहीं है, सिर्फ इसी का बता तो आप क्वेश्चन पेपर आराम से पढ़ें. Okay? Next, arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Descending means okay. How many digits are there? 4 digits. How many digits are there? 8. Yes. 4. So which is the biggest one? So can I write it here? Okay. Next will be out of these, this one. Am I correct? And the reverse of this will be ascending order. 777, 2,220, 9,877, 9,988, and what is the number name of this one? What is the number name of this? 89,999. जब आपको इंडियन एंड इंटरनेशनल नंबर के नंबर नेम्स लिखने के लिए आते हैं, समटाइम्स टू कंफ्यूज यू, वो इंडियन और इंटरनेशनल दोनों में सेम ही रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो इवन इफ इट इज सेम यू हैव टू पुट इट एज इट इज. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है दैट यू विल डू समथिंग क्रिएटिव और कोई और ही नंबर अपने हिसाब से लिख के आएंगे. नो. ठीक है. और क्या आता है आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ नंबर सिस्टम में? कंपैरिजन ऑफ नंबर्स, जो कि ये होते हैं. आई थिंक आपको ये आते हैं और आप सबको आते हैं, राइट? दिस इज नॉट वेरी हार्ड. Who is saying this is hard?
No, ma'am. This is very hard.
Okay. So what have we done today? We have done the revision for section A and section B. Section A was, what was the name of section A? आपने प्रीकोड 1 दिया है ना? Most of the students. shapes and faces. And section B will be understanding of number system. Okay? And C, D, E that we will do whenever we get turn again. Fine. That is all for today. Thank you, students.